You said that you were the one going to Jamaica and cutting the dubs and stuff. Like, who was the artist that you were linking up with at that time to say, okay, these are my links when it comes to the dubs?
Well, there wasn't really no links because back in those, it's not like now where you just can see people online and send your money and them send some come gear. Back in the day, it was like it is the culture to fly, go to Jamaica, go to this studio, go to that studio, and voice the artist them and seeing the song them voice in front of your face. You know what I mean? To where that if something is not said right, you know, you can stop and tell them, so, you know, this is all more to be sound. You know, it's of the culture at the time. So me used to always want to go Jamaica. Me used to always want to do it. And at the time, I would say on the sound, between me, Dapper, you know, and Juxi, I was more social with the artists. Them Juxi is more social with the ladies. You know, Dapper wasn't really social at all with nobody. Dapper was just the man where him just the brain behind the sound, and him build the song them. And when it's time to go kill people, and that him I deal with. The man that him used to like go a jogging dance, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
You see me? So I had took up that on myself. And then, you know, you start go to Jamaica, you start go to, you know, this studio, that studio, and then people start seeing you on a regular. Them starting to know who you is, you know, you start playing down there in Jamaica, you know, because I used to play in Jamaica a lot. I made a name for myself and Innocent in Jamaica as a household, like upon the juggling world and the clash world. I killed someone at Jamaica. I'm going to play upon some of the biggest dancers in Jamaica to juggling and with Stone Love, and we soon get to them something there. You know what I mean? But, so while you're down there, you're doing that now, you start linking with the artists then. Now, Killer did start take a liking to my style, you know, because Killer was one of those artists, which he still is to this day, and he has always been where, I guess he has a eye for talent, and he has an eye for like who's very like unique in the game. And after the same fully loaded, you know what I'm saying, situation with me and Mataran, me the guy Jamaica, and then now me the one for voicing. I'm gonna make a link, and he was only voicing up a Solid Agency at the time, up at Scharenberg. I'm gonna make a link and go up there, and me have my money in my pocket for voice him, and him voice 5 songs a day. And when him voice the 5 songs them, him look for me and tell me, say, first him said to me, them time the Killer charge X like crazy amount of money. And him look for me and I say, yo, how much you have? I'm gonna tell him how much I have. And I say, no, take off a little bit off of that. And just tell me, say, forgive the change to the youth, them out there. So, and him don't take the money from me. Then me and him become cool.
Yeah.
Then I saw the whole link with the whole Mavado thing, the whole alliance, you know, cartel everybody, you know. Him put me upon his birthday party at Jamaica. It's a party. 1 year, I'm gonna shut it down. Okay. You know, when you play upon them event there at Jamaica, people start to know, you know what I'm saying? So I start play upon the Sherlock, all white them down upon the boat ride at Christmas time, Jagabee giveaway, I'm play upon that couple times, the Foreigners Ball, like every Christmas we used to play like a good 7 to 8 dance at Jamaica.
Okay.
Dapper never used to want to go, because Dapper never used to in the juggling thing. And Juxi never used to travel to Jamaica like that because of certain situations. So I was the only one going to Jamaica at the time representing Innocent. You know what I mean? I'm used to represent it real good, because playing in Jamaica is very different than playing in the States or playing in Canada or playing in England. You have to really play music at Jamaica. But back in them days, I mean, none of the situation kind of changed now, but back in those days, you know, is playing in the dancehall. Because you see the dancehall genre where them build, because them just build that the other day, you know, the genre is reggae. You know?
Yeah.
Dancehall is the sub-genre, you know. But dancehall is officially the place where you go. You know what I'm saying?
To play reggae.
Music.
Yes,
man. Yeah, to play, no, not even to play reggae alone, to play everything.
Yes, you know what I'm saying? That's because the hall where you're dancing. Yes, that's what it is.
That is the hall. Them used to play souls, ska, reggae, you know, everything, you know what I'm saying? So, it's like, when you're playing in Jamaica, you have to play a certain type of way. It's not these little 20-minute, 30-minute juggling there, so. You understand what I'm saying to you? So once you're playing in Jamaica and you pass the test of playing down there, and then these people I see up on a regular, you know, them start to rate you, and you know, artists start to rate you. And then so the link start make with the artists. Them notice after a while now, you know, artists are send you song. You know what I'm saying? You're there at Jamaica, them are tell you to come link them. They might give you a free song, whatever, rare. You pay for a certain amount of song. You now pay the price where a man who is that link with the artist are going to pay. You understand what I say to you?
Because you're inside of the link now.
Yeah.
You have the link now.
Yes, you're in on the link. You know what I mean?
So you're doing stuff, you link with Killer.
So Bounty Killer was the first artist attached to my career when I was Innocent. And then I met Mavado. And from there was just, you know, me and Mavado still best of friends till this. He actually turned like one of my good friends, you know, outside of music. You know what I'm saying?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.